To start with the installation of a premium add-on for WPO 365, I would first need to download it. And I can do that using the download link that I received as part of the WPO 365 purchase receipt email. So I would switch to my email inbox, and here I can see that I have received an email, and in this email I will find a link for the product that I purchased. In this case, I purchased the mail extension, and I would click the link to download that. I download a zip file because it's a WordPress plugin, and now that I have downloaded the plugin, I can continue with the installation. To start with the installation of my premium add-on, I will navigate to my WordPress backend, and I will go to add a new plugin. Here I can click to upload a plugin, and I will choose the file that I've just downloaded. I will select the file, I click open, and then I can click install now to upload the plugin and to install the files. Once that's done, I can click to activate the plugin. And already now my plugin is installed. If I have waited longer than 72 hours before clicking the download link, it will have expired. It's not valid anymore and it cannot be used. If that is the case, it's no problem. You can download your item that you purchased from our website. Simply go to wpo365.com, your account, and scroll down, and here you have the opportunity to sign in with your email address. The email address that you used when you registered for the website. So I click sign in with my email address, and I enter my email address, and I enter the password that I have configured. If this is the first time that you log on, you will have received a temporary password in the welcomes email. If you don't have that anymore, or if you don't know it, you can simply click the forgot your password link. I've entered my password and I will click to sign in. And in my overview here, I can see that I've recently purchased a new item, and I can click here to view its details and also to download the product. Here I will find the download link. I can also go back to my account, and from this page I can navigate to view the licenses or to manage also the licenses. I can see it's not activated yet for one of the sites, so I can click here to manage sites. For now, I will copy my license key and I will switch back to my WordPress admin. Because here you will notice that after I install the premium add-on, there is a new submenu under WPO 365, which is licenses. And if I click it, I will have the opportunity here to activate the license. And this is something that must be done from the WordPress backend. Just activating the site at wpo365.com, your account, won't be sufficient. You must activate the license from your WordPress website. So I enter the code and I click activate license. The license is activated and I'm ready to go.